Hey, my name is Russell Brunson, and February 23rd of this year, something special happened. Grant Cardone put on an event called 10X Growth Con. It was about how to 10X your company in the next 12 months. And I was invited to speak about ClickFunnels and then make an offer to the audience selling ClickFunnels as well as a training package. And as I stepped on stage the very first time, I looked at over 9,000 amazing people. And over the next 90 minutes, I gave a presentation where every second was scripted and choreographed with one goal, which was to get people to stand up and to run to sign up for ClickFunnels. The goal was $3 million in sales, and we ended up doing over $3.2 million in that 90-minute window.
Russell Brunson spoke to 9,000 people. 1 out of 9 people purchased his product.
The reason why I've come has been him right now.
You know, he's the best in the world at what he does.
Actually, I had to act right away.
I drank the Kool-Aid, I'm swimming in it.
If you don't get this program, you're crazy.
Very evident. Look at that crowd.
A little while later, we sat down and I broke down over a 6-hour period of time everything we did, what we did, why we did it, the strategy and psychology, how we used persuasion, how we used micro commitments, how we did the trial closes, like how we created the offer, like everything we did and how we choreographed the entire thing in a way to sell $3 million in just 90 minutes, which I'm pretty sure is a world record.
Who here invested real quick?
And so coming up later on this year, we are doing a launch, and the launch is called 10X Secrets. And the product is going to be that 6-hour training showing people how to sell to the masses. I have more success stories from people who I've shown this webinar presentation to than pretty much everything else we've ever done, except for ClickFunnels. It's by far the best information product I've ever put together, and we're so excited to finally launch this. And so I want this information in the hands of everybody because I know that the principles, the process, the scripts, the psychology, everything is the same thing that you need, that your customer need to be able to get their product, their service, their message out to the world. And we want to do it in a really cool and very unique way. And the best thing is that the product is going to serve your customers at such a high, deep level. You will see more success stories come from this than pretty much anything else I've ever seen. This is a product that I'm very, very proud of. I know it works. It'll work for you, and it's going to work for your customers.